Let's get you the latest updates coming in from Mumbai. Remember the demolition drive that was kicked off yesterday by the BMC at the Habitat Club, where Kunal Kamra had in fact made that joke about Eknath Shinde. Well, it's the second day of a demolition drive there. Once again, the BMC team has reached the club that was used by Kamra, and they're armed with hammers. There's been some demolition work taking place inside the club, which has been temporarily shut down after all of the outrage and vandalism by Shiv Sena workers. The demolition, we understand, is in parts of the building which are illegal. But even as there have been questions about the timing of this demolition drive and how, there is speculation that this is essentially revenge, a vengeful crackdown because of them hosting Kunal Kamra, it has indebted BMC officials from going ahead and continuing with the demolition drive. Vidya is joining us live with more details on this. Vidya, day 2 of the demolition drive that's taking place. The club, which had hosted Kunal Kamra a month ago almost, is now facing this kind of an unprecedented crackdown. First vandalism, followed by now demolition yesterday and today.
Well, in fact, the demolition work has just begun. We did see some of these people, contractors just going up. Although most of the work of demolition of the illegal structures, as the BMC has been calling it, is not out on the outside, but in the inside. The illegal constructions that were built to, hold parties, those are being demolished by the BMC. The BMC is very clear that, there are illegal constructions that they have found in this building, and those are the ones that are being demolished. Well, the BMC, as of now, yesterday we had seen they had done inspection. After the inspection, they did see some more of these illegal constructions, and that's the reason they are back today. Well, the survey and demolition work will go on until the illegal constructions have either been broken down by the hotel themselves or by the BMC, and until this entire demolition of illegal structures, illegal portions that have been built up, which should not be there according to the map that was approval, that's something that the BMC will continue doing, is what the authority has clearly stated.
All right, Vidya, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Demolition drive continuing for day 2 now.